All right, this says solve the following equation. 3x equals 3 times the quantity x minus 1. So remember when we have the 3 outside the parentheses there, like we do on the right-hand side of the equation, we need to use the distributive property. So we're going to take that 3 and we're going to multiply it by both terms inside the parentheses. When we do that, we get 3x is equal to 3x minus 3, because 3 times x is 3x. 3 times negative 1 is negative 3. Now remember, we want to get all of our x's on one side of the equation. So these the 3x that's over here on the right-hand side of the equation, I want to move it to the left-hand side. So to undo adding 3x, we're going to subtract 3x from both sides. When we do that, 3x minus 3x is 0, and on the right-hand side, we're left with negative 3. Now here, we get kind of a strange answer. It says 0 equals negative 3. Well, we know that is not true. So when we put our line through our equal sign like this, that means does not equal. So now we know that 0 does not equal negative 3. When you get an answer like this, where the left-hand side of the equation does not equal the right-hand side of the equation, it just doesn't make sense. That doesn't mean that you necessarily did the work wrong. We did all of our work right here. This question just has no solution. So when you get something that is not true, like 0 equals negative 3, we know that's not true. 0 does not equal negative 3. Those two numbers do not have the same value, which means this equation has no solution.